everyone! Today I will be reviewing building a chicken coop. If you want to know whether you should buy building a chicken coop, then please watch this video till the end. Also, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below to find real user reviews of building a chicken coop left by users who have bought and used the product.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Building a Chicken Coop website was launched on June 2nd, 2008. The creator of Building a Chicken Coop is Bill Keane. Building a Chicken Coop comes with 60 days money back guarantee, so if you are unhappy after the purchase, you can request a refund within 60 days. Now, I will read out the reviews left by users who have used Building a Chicken Coop. Here is a review by Noah. He says, the information was simply explained and broken down into easy to remember segments that ensured that every necessary step was followed. All the information is digital and easy to print out as needed or carry in your laptop or tablet. Next review is by William. He says, I know you hate the idea of keeping a book open and blueprints blowing around while you work as much as I do. So I was happy that all the info is in downloaded file. Next review is by James. He says, provides important information about caring for my birds that I would otherwise have learned the hard way watching many of my chickens die through my ignorance. Next review is by Andrew. He says, there is something really good about building a chicken coop system, and that is for the fact that there are no special skills required to use system. Really simple to work with. Next review is by Thomas. He says, building a chicken coop has been easier for me more than I expected. The whole reason is because of how easy it is to build it with this program. It is the easiest program to follow because it is very comprehensive. And there are a lot more reviews. Now, we would like to invite everyone who have bought and used building a chicken coop to please go over to our website at the link in the description below at the website cbreviewsworld.com and leave a comment about what your experiences was like using building a chicken coop. Your review will help everyone to know if they should buy this product or if they should skip it. We thank you for cooperating with us by leaving your reviews on our website. Your reviews will benefit everyone who are researching for building a chicken coop. Thanks. Have a good day.